LV so random in the building, you feel me? How y'all doing today? Pretty good, pretty good. So today, I'm gonna talk about aligning yourself towards a better version of you. Say it's a problem that's not like short term. It's something that you want to change in you. Like, um, say you want to ask better questions. Then that version of you gotta think about that version of you that is able to ask more effective questions. You gotta think about how they live. Like, how does this version of you live? Um, how are they able to ask better questions than my current version? Like, that's where the questions will come in. Like, okay. Um, what did they do to get there? And that's gonna make you want to take the actions. Like, now you doing more research online, maybe, uh, or you reading books, whatever it is that you want to change. It's capable. It's capable of happening if you put your mind to it. Literally, like you gotta first see it. You don't even gotta see it, but you just gotta first know where you're going. You gotta. It's like a movie. Like if this was a movie right here, right? Like whatever current problem is, say the movie just started. Like it's another movie in your life. Like you're like a library of movies, or you're like a book. It's another story in your book. Uh, this is some more personal development to come across kind of thing. If you come across what I like to say, like there's like different enemies in life, like parasites, and I'm not talking about like literal parasites. This is how I see enemies. Well, literal parasites too, but parasites like in your inner world, the parasite of low esteem. That might be like, or some people might see that as a demon. Well, not like no literal like, but you know how people say I'm fighting my demons. Like people got different ways of saying, you know. But I'm just saying like to me I see different enemies like parasites. There's monsters, demons, um fake soldiers, because we got soldiers in our inner world. I believe like the soldier of confidence. Um, like this is just my interesting way of thinking about it. Like we was a garden and soldiers was walking around type thing. You got teachers in your garden kind of thing. It's like buildings, whatever however you vision your inner world. You might vision as a universe, and this is just a planet. But to me, I vision myself like I vision people like stories, uh, nature, all type of stuff. But alignment, say you want to grow, like say my interesting way, you want to grow the tree of strategic thinking. But in reality, it's just another skill to be strategical in your thinking, a skill that you can gain. So how can this tree get bigger? What do you have to water this tree with for this tree to get bigger? This whatever tree you want to grow in your garden, how I vision it, like, or plant, or whatever soldier you want to get stronger. Like say you want to get the soldier of confidence stronger. What does he have to eat in order to gain more muscle? Or is it stamina does he have to gain more? Like, does he seem to drop quick after a certain amount of pressure? Like, see, these are things that you look inside within yourself, and you be like, do I want to upgrade this and bring myself towards this future version of myself that has this trait locked down, or this skill locked down, this talent you want to gain? Say a talent is like a special plant in your garden. What do you have to water? What matter of fact, what does this plant need in order to blossom? Like, is it confidence? And you might need to put I don't know. You might need to put self loving. It's all type of stuff for real. But yeah, it's honestly just like a little quick video, and kind of how I see like to summarize it. anyone is able to bring themselves from here to here, literally. Like, if you have a problem, or I like to say like challenge within yourself that you would like to face instead of run from, because you run from it, you really going backwards or sideways, but you're not going either way. Forward, not really going if you're running from it. It depends though. In real life, you gotta run from certain things. Like, you getting shot at, you don't got no gun, you gotta run. You feel me? You might gotta duck or something. But I'm talking about like within your inner world, like problems that we can't see, if that makes sense. Or you can see, but like care, you can't really see care, but you can see care. Feel me? You see acts of care. If you want to upgrade your level of care, like if we're looking at it like a game and you're a game character, and you need to upgrade your level of care, what does care need in order to gain? If you're looking at yourself like a 2K character, you need more VC. What is VC in this inner world though? VC might be, in order for more care to happen, you need another skill or trait before that, in order to, like, you might already have it, but you just don't know how to express it. But yeah, that's why I say, like, yeah, basically, like, even things in real life you want to happen, like you want to buy a house or something, you could make that reality unfold. Like, first it's a fantasy. How I look at it, it's a fantasy at first, and then it becomes a reality that unfolds. Like, if you're drawing a picture, in order for that picture to come to life, first you have to start drawing. But you can have a reference, somebody in metaphoric terms, somebody that's there to like help you bring this fantasy to life. Most people do got people to talk to, but not everybody. So that means you just gotta start drawing. And as you draw, you're gonna erase. You're gonna make mistakes down the line. My lips greasy. You're gonna make mistakes down the line, but eventually that picture will come to reality if you keep at it. So whatever you want to make happen, you can make it happen.
Simple vlog guide. There we go. And this is a couple uploads I did right there.
Shout out to my family. They impressive.
Up, y'all.
Let's go. They know I'm the best. Run me up a check. Money. I don't got a flex. Call it a finesse. Don't run about no weapons. They know I'm up next. Egg out with my name. Saying backwards, understand.
Losing pay.
I just do my dance.
What was that? Martin.